Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix front camera is not working on iPhone. First, you have to make sure that this problem is occurred from the technical issue or from any software issue. After confirming that, if it comes out from technical issue, you have to go to an expert who can solve this technical problem. Then if you are facing any software based issue or problem, then you can follow these steps. First, you have to go to the settings. Now scroll down and here you'll find camera. Now go to camera control. From this camera control option, you will find some cameras that are available that you can use for your default camera, but make sure you don't select this none button. If you find that the default camera is selected in none, then it means your camera is now currently disabled. There is no application which are running your camera or appointing your camera. So make sure you choose on of this, but the default camera is most preferable. Then go back, again go back. Now you have to go to the accessibility. From accessibility, you will find voiceover. Make sure the voiceover option is turned off. Sometimes this voiceover option may interfere in your camera system. It will prevent your camera to work properly on your device. Now after make sure that voiceover control is turned off, then you can test your camera. If the problem is fixed, then congratulations. If you are facing the same issue again, then you just need to go back and you just need to click on the apps here, and from here you will find some applications that allows camera. Make sure that all the application is allowing or all the application has the access of your camera. If not, then you just need to turn on this toggle button. If you found this like this, that camera is turned off on the application, then you can simply click on this toggle button to turn on the camera. Make sure all the application that using camera is toggle on. That's the all simplest way and software based issue that can be fixed. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.